Today is a pretty exciting day because a new package just landed on my doorstep. And for those of you that are familiar with Backwoods Adventure Mods, you already probably know, but this is gonna be my first Backwoods Adventure Mods part that is going on the truck, and it's something that I've been wanting to do to the truck for a long time. So in today's video, I'm gonna be opening up this box. We're gonna be seeing what's inside of here, and then I'm gonna get into explaining why I chose this product and why I went with this brand for the next product install on the Fortune Taco. What's going on, guys? Welcome back for another video. If you're new here, my name is Chris. Right behind me, this is the Fortune Taco. If you're new to this channel, I like to do mods and installs here on the Fortune Taco. Sometimes we do mods and installs on other vehicles, or when I like to go out and do adventures, whether it be off-roading, camping, or going to events, I like to make videos and bring you guys along with me. If that is something that you're interested in, please consider subscribing to the channel. Now, I already mentioned it in the intro that we're gonna be opening this thing up. I'm gonna be showing you guys the newest addition to my build. So I don't wanna keep you guys waiting too long. Let's get into it. I wanna open this thing up, and we're gonna show you what is hiding beyond this box. Look at that, it's a box inside of a box. Ooh. Wasn't expecting that to happen. So for those of you that have been following my channel, you probably know I've hinted at wanting to get something like this for quite a bit of time now, and finally the time has come. We're gonna be putting a high clearance rear bumper on the Fortune Taco. So in today's video, I'm not gonna be doing the install on this, but I briefly just wanna go over how I came to choosing this bumper. There's one thing I appreciate when receiving a product, especially something this big and heavy, is when it is shipped and packaged correctly, so there is no issues or damage done during the shipping process. So Backwoods does a very good job with all of their foam, plastic, tape. There was a whole bunch of different extra measures. This thing was also on a pallet, which you didn't see here, but it was inside of this box on top of a pallet, and that pallet had this box over it, plus all the cushioning. There's just a whole bunch of different extra layers of protection. So when this thing arrives at your house, it's gonna look exactly as it did when it left their warehouse. The powder coat looks very clean. It has a nice textured look. I don't know if that's showing up in the camera. So I've wanted a high clearance bumper on the truck for quite some time now. And to have it sitting here next to me right in the driveway is a pretty awesome feeling. Before I go ahead and install this bumper, I just want to kind of talk to you guys about why I made the decision I made, why I went with Backwoods Adventure Mod, and why I chose the specific setup of this bumper over the other choices I could have picked from Backwoods or any other brand out there. So why Backwoods? Well, one of the biggest reasons is related to a company you guys probably already know. It's been on this channel a lot, and it's a pretty well-known company in the overland industry, Free Spirit Recreation. But what the heck does that have to do with Backwoods? This year, Backwoods Adventure Mods and Free Spirit Recreation partnered up. I've been working with Free Spirit Recreation for a couple years now, and they have been nothing but great to me and the truck and the channel. So when I saw that Free Spirit Recreation and Backwoods Adventure Mods merged and started to work together, that really made me start to look more into Backwoods, because if Free Spirit Recreation can trust working with them and partnering with them, it's also a company I know I could see myself working with and representing on my truck. After doing some research of Backwoods Adventure Mods, seeing the products they had to offer, I ended up finding that their rear bumper, the high clearance bumper, was gonna be a really good fit for the Fortune Taco build. So when it came to doing my research for a rear bumper for the truck, there were three things that I had in mind for what I wanted on this build. The first thing being high clearance. It had to be a high clearance bumper because anybody that has taken their Tacoma off-road, they all know about that terrible departure angle, the worst spot, that tow hitch. It sits so low that you're gonna hit it almost every single time you're off-roading if you're doing some type of challenging trail, because I know The bottom side of my hitch is smashed and so scratched and banged up from the amount of times I've hit that thing on a rock. The second thing I was looking for was gonna be design. I didn't want something that was big and bulky and just didn't look like it fit the truck. I wanted something that was gonna perform well, but look good on the truck. So I wanted something that was kind of slim, sleek, matching the lines of the truck, but not overdone. And the third thing, this is just me being picky, but when it comes to my build, I like things done a specific way. And I needed a bumper that had light cutouts in the back that would fit specific dimensions for a project I was thinking of on the rear bumper. There are two rectangles on the back of the bumper. They are a 3" by 2" rectangle cutout in the bumper. Well, that size is perfect for what I had in mind on the back bumper. For those of you that do know and you've been following my channel, you know that I'm a big fan of Nacho lighting, and all of the lighting on my truck right now is Nacho off-road lights. Well, I was talking with Nacho recently, and the cutouts on the back of this bumper are a perfect fit for something unique they had in mind that they want to see if we can do on this bumper. So that's something you're gonna want to stay tuned on. I'm not giving you any details on that yet, but we're gonna be doing a pretty cool lighting setup on the back of the bumper featuring some Nacho off-road lights. What is next with this bumper? Today's video is just trying to explain to you guys why I made the decision I made, why I went with the Backwoods Adventure Mods bumper, and another thing I didn't really touch on yet, but they have two different versions of this back bumper. They have the standard high clearance with no swing out, no accessories attached to it, or you can get the upgraded swing out version if you want to have a swing out for a spare tire, for gas cans, whatever you need at camp. That's an extra accessory that maybe won't fit in the bed, won't fit on the roof. I didn't really want all that extra add-on there. I don't really have a need for it right now. So I ended up opting to go with just the standard high clearance with no swing out. So the next video is where the fun is gonna happen though. We're gonna be ripping that factory bumper off this truck. Finally, we're gonna be doing some cutting. We need to cut off the lower portion of those bed sides. That part will be a little scary, but I've done enough cutting on the truck now. It's not gonna be too much of a big deal, honestly. But then we get to fit that Backwoods bumper on the truck and see how good this thing looks, and finally bring the truck together with full armor all the way around. And if I'm being honest, I cannot wait to go out to Sedona and hit Broken Arrow and hopefully not tag my trailer hitch, because I know this bumper is not gonna be sitting that low. So if I do tag this bumper, I'll kind of be impressed. If you guys are excited to see what this bumper is gonna look like installed on the truck, you're gonna wanna subscribe so you get to see that future video when we actually do the bumper installation. And then after the install, and I've ran this bumper for a little bit, maybe I've got some trail time with it, I'm gonna make a follow-up video. I'm gonna give you guys my detailed review on it. That's gonna be it for today's video, guys. If you enjoyed this video, please do me a huge favor. Drop a thumbs up down below. It helps this video be more successful to get seen by people just like yourself. If you have any questions about today's video, that Backwoods rear bumper, or anything else in general about the Fortune Taco, make sure to drop a comment down below. I try my best to reply to every comment that is left on my videos. Thank you guys for sticking around all the way to the end. I appreciate you, and I hope to see you on my next video.